Here we are with my dog Kiku again, and today we're going to demonstrate the use of the Nina Ottoson Dog Tornado. This is a toy that rotates and exposes different compartments to allow the dog to have access to treats. You can load the toy up with these bones, which prevent the toy from rotating, making it a little bit harder for the dog to get the treats, and the only way that they can get to the treats is by first removing the white bone. There's little illustrations that show you where you can put the bone. Okay, I'm going to ask my dog to wait so that it would give me an opportunity to put down the toy. It's also a good training opportunity. And when I'm ready, I'm going to ask her to find it. Just removed all three of the little white bones, so now she can have access to the compartments by rotating the different levels.